Alright guys, today I've got a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's got the freezer on top, fridge on bottom. Pretty basic fridge here. I'm going to show you that it is in fact cool like it's supposed to be. So we've got in between those two red dots, it takes a surface temperature measurement. You see the difference between the floor there and then the machine, whatever you shine it on. Changes it up. Alright, I've got everything set on the coldest setting. So there you go, pretty cold in there, it's below zero. Down here you can see all the lights and everything work, but I just want to give you a good indicator here. And that's on its coldest setting. You probably wouldn't want your fridge part that cold unless you were going to use this as like a garage fridge or something, but I'll get it cleaned up so it'll shine like new and of course sanitized, and it'll be ready to go. Really, there's, like I said, not much else to it. Nice open space, all this stuff is good. Here, there is a spot to add an ice maker if you wanted to. You could put an ice maker there, and the water line is on the back of the fridge. You've got a drawer here, two drawers down there, and everything's in excellent shape. So now you know everything works good. Go ahead and get it listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.